Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install Apollo Group TV on Roku. So first of all, let me tell you Apollo Group TV is not officially supported on Roku device because Roku devices have a curated app store and Apollo Group TV is not an officially supported channel on Roku. So some discussions suggest that the Apollo Group TV might not have the necessary legal or licensing agreement to distribute their content on Roku. So first of all, that you can just check for alternative platforms or you can explore other streaming outputs on Roku. Roku has a vast library of other streaming services if you are looking for live TV or on-demand content. You can explore other options available on the Roku channel store. And if you are a developer and want to test apps on Roku, you can go to the developer mode. Roku offers a developer program that allows developers to create and test their own apps on Roku devices, and developers can use the Roku web plugin to sideload their apps onto a device in developer mode. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.